Welcome back, guys. Join me as I dive into the world of surveillance tech in prisons and see if I can uncover how body cams and facial recognition and officers' benefits really work together. That's right, guys. When we think about surveillance technologies, our mind often wanders about sci-fi movies, but the reality is being used in some of the most crucial environments like our prison systems. Today, we're going to explore how body cameras and facial recognitions are being implemented in the correctional facilities to improve safety and monitoring. Prisons are notoriously challenging environments plagued with overcrowding, violence, and constant threats of riots and disturbance. It's an environment where tensions are always running high, and the need for improvement security measures is paramount. On top of that, there is added pressure of managing and rehabilitating inmates, all while keeping correction officers and staff safe. It's a monumental task that requires innovative solutions. One of the primary concerns in prisons is the risk of assaults on both the officers and the inmates. Now, according to the Bureau of Justice Statistics in 2018, there were over 50,000 reports of incidents of inmate-on-inmate violence and over 10,000 incidents on inmates on officers violence. These numbers are staggering, and it's clear that something needs to be done to address these issues. Furthermore, prisons are also responsible for rehabilitation of the inmates and preparing them for reintegrating into society. This requires creating a safe and controlled environment that fosters positive behaviors, personal growth. But how can we achieve this in an environment where violence and disorder are always lurking? Now, if you like the information I've given you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more information like this. Now, the implementation of body cams in prisons is one step toward addressing these challenges by providing an unbiased recording of events. Body cameras can help de-escalate conflicts and provide valuable evidence in the event of an incident. They can also help the identity or identify areas where training and procedures need to be improved, ultimately leading to a safer environment for both the officers and the inmates. Now, facial recognition technology is another tool that's being used in great effects in the prisons. But by quickly and accurately identifying inmates, facial recognitions can help to prevent incidents of mistaken identity and even track inmate movement and behavior. Now, the benefits of surveillance technology in prisons extend beyond just safety and security. For officers, it provides an added layer of protection and accountability. In the event of an incident, body camera footage can be used to exonerate officers who may be falsely accused of misconduct, which we have seen in the past. It can also provide valuable insights into how incidents unfold, allowing more effective training and procedures development. But what about the impact of the inmates' behavior? Studies have shown that when inmates are aware that they're being monitored, they're more likely to behave positively. This can lead to a reduction of incidents of violence and disorder, creating a safer and more controlled environment. Now, let's take a look at real-life examples of how surveillance technologies made a crucial difference in the prison environment. In 2018, a correctional officer at a maximum security prison in the U.S. was assaulted by an inmate. Thanks to the officer's body cam, the entire incident was caught on the camera, and the inmate was quickly identified and apprehended. Now, the footage was also used to exonerate the officer who had been falsely accused of using excessive force. This incident was highlight of a crucial role that surveillance technology can play in ensuring the safety and accountability of the prisons. Now, in another instance, facial recognition technology was used to identify and track a group of inmates who were involved in a violent gang-related incident. The technology was available to quickly identify the individuals involved, allowing correctional officers to take swift actions to prevent further violence. These are examples to demonstrate the real-world impact that surveillance technology can have in the prison system, and it's clear that it has a vital role to play in the future of corrections. Now, in conclusion, the use of surveillance technology in prisons is a critical step toward creating a safer and more controlled environment, providing an additional layer of protection and accountability for our officers, and encouraging positive behaviors from the inmates. Body cams and facial recognitions are helping to make our prisons more secure, more effective, and safer. Now, thank you for watching. I love to hear from your thoughts on surveillance in the prisons. Do you think it's necessary, evil, or an invasion of privacy? Let me know in the comments below what you think about this. If you're interested in learning more about the latest technology trends or more things about corrections, be sure to check out my other videos on this channel. And once again, thank you for watching.